our downtrend. Okay, so now we try to break through the 50, which is also our trend, but we just couldn't break through that area. So right now we're trying again to see if we can break through that spot. If we break through and hold this 550 area, which we already did, we broke through. If it holds, then expect more to the good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. This is another video being put out, and what I'll be doing today, I will be talking about low price, low float stocks. And what do we have with the low price, low float stocks? As the market begin to push through, as the market begin to to give us that trend to the upside, I expect other low float stocks as well to continue to push with the market. With that being said, guys, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock in whatsoever. This is for entertainment purposes only. Now, the market is really looking good, right? Apart from the general healthcare sector, we're really doing good, and the market really did close green, and for the past 4 trading days we've been enjoying a move to the upside, right? So looking at other stocks as well, looking at the market, what the market has for us on the broader view, looking at, well, let's take a look at SPY, and this is your SYTA S&P 500 ETF, and right now what is going on is we're really breaking out of range. We're really breaking out of this 405 spot, because this 405 is your 20 exponential moving average that I talked about in a couple of weeks ago. I talked about the market, for the possibility of the market to really reject this 20 exponential moving average or breakthrough rate. Why? If volume comes in, then we can break right through. So right now we broke through the 405, the 410, and right now we'll just close right on 415. So the next level I'll be looking for, if the market continue this 4-day streak or 5-6 days trading streak, then we'll be looking at 50 exponential moving average visit, which will be going to be our 418, 420 spot. So this area is going to be a very solid area of resistance as well, coupled with volume coming in around this spot. So that's why I put this trend here as well. IWM, we're looking at IWM at this point in time. $100 is going to be our next, 190 is going to be our next spot, which is $190 is going to be our next spot. So from here on into 190, just keep an eye out, because that is our 50 exponential moving average as well. Volume is consistently coming into IWM, which is our Russell 2000 ETF. Now, let's get into the stocks, the little price stocks, or the low price, low float stocks, and see what's going on around that range. So OMCT right now, we are pushing to the upside. What is this? This is what I call the boom candle, right? This is a boom candle. So we got into resistance, which is this $1.60 area, and close right below it. So keep an eye out. If we can continue through this 160, I think we can push through into 220 or even 255. So keep an eye out on that area. But for now, if this 150 area doesn't hold, 150, 140 doesn't hold, then expect price to pull back to the 50 exponential moving average retest. PMVP, what we're looking at here on PMVP right now, we got this boom candle, but it couldn't hold. They just sold right off into $15. So right now we have this little fantastic reversal pattern. So keep an eye out and see what the price does on Tuesday, because of course we have Memorial Day and the market is closed on Monday, right? oil side, we also have HUSA. What is HUSA? HUSA is Houston American Energy. Right now we're looking at price breaking to $4. So if we can break through $4, we should be alright to test the next level, which is our $5. But right now this is the downtrend to watch. If this downtrend can break and hold right above that area, then we can push to the upside. If not, then look for price to break down through this 20 and 50 exponential moving average back to $3. But for now, I'm expecting a bullish nature as the oil and gas begin to move to the upside, right? SEAC right now, the only problem with this is we broke through support back down, and now we're trying to coil back up. So now we call into 85 cents, which coincide with our 20 exponential moving average. So your area, see if price can really break through this 90 cent spot. So if price break through 90 cents, I think we should be able to push right back above $1 on that name. CBIO as well is another one. Right now we're looking at this flag pattern, gap as well. We have gap below us right now, but keep an eye out for the $1.10 area for support as we continue to push to the upside on that name. APYX as well, boom boom candle, and right now we're looking at $6 is going to be our support. If it doesn't hold, then look for $5.22, 25 cents area as a support. But right now momentum is to the upside. Volume will need to come in because on Friday we didn't have much volume, so meaning that we're not having a lot of interest coming in. But though we did trade over 3 million shares. GROM as well, we're looking at what, 83 cents break, which is our 50 exponential moving average. If price can break this area, guys, we're looking for more into $1 so that they can regain listing. But for now, look for price around that area. If it doesn't hold, if that 75 area 80 cents doesn't hold, then look for price back down to 66 or 70 cents in the coming days on that name. CODX, what we're looking at price breaking through the 50 exponential moving average, which also invariably coincide with our downtrend. Okay, so now we try to break through the 50, which is also our trend, but we just couldn't break through that area. So right now we're trying again to see if we can break through that spot. If we break through and hold this 550 area, which we already did, we broke through. If it holds, then expect more to the upside, $7 to come. So keep an eye out on CODX as well for the move to the upside. VEDU, this one right now is a visionary educational technology company. Right now we're looking at price around that $2 spot. So look for this $2 spot. If we can break through this area, then we can progressively move towards that $4. Okay, so keep an eye out on that name. ROKDA as well. This one has been a fantastic stock. We did push to the upside only to make a head back down, and all of a sudden we just supported this area and price begin to push into the right side of the shoulder. So this is what we call the head and shoulder pattern. So the head and shoulder pattern, which it means a reversal pattern, but if we can break through the right side of this shoulder, break through the 200 moving average, which is this $1.50 area, if we push through, I'll be expecting more to the upside. That means we broke the barrier, we broke the bearish looking pattern in the market. So we're looking at this trend right here. If this area really holds and break through, then we should be all right to continue to push to the upside. Keep an eye on ROKD ETA. I think there's momentum coming in. I think we got good news coming in as well, but also, you know, volume is not there yet. So keep an eye out on the volume, because we only traded at 321k in on Friday. So with 59% on your RSI, I think we should be able to positively move upwards with respect to MACD. So keep an eye out on that as well. ALLR as well. Right now we're at 71%, which is all inching closer to the overbought zone. So keep an eye out as volume came in on Friday. For now, $2.50 is going to be our support. If we can break through this area of $3, we can push through 4 and even more to the upside. Otherwise, if this 240 doesn't hold, then look for price back down to $2. ISIG, we're looking at what, the 200 moving average, $10.30 close right now. $10 is going to act as our support for now, because that will act as a natural support. So keep an eye out on this name. I think momentum is coming in with our downtrend ready to break. I think, you know, price is in favor to the upside, pending market action, pending market reaction as well. APRN, what are we talking about? What are we looking for? We're looking for more to the upside, but for now we have a bearish looking pattern. If we can break through $1, I think we should be able to break through the barrier of bearishness on that stock. BTTX, what we're looking at, $2.25 is your area. Okay, if this $2 doesn't hold, okay, which is our support area, our 20 and 50 exponential moving average support zone, if it doesn't hold, then look for more to the downside, even $1.50. But if it holds, then, you know, I'll be expecting more reaction to the upside above $2.50 even, because right now your resistance is right around this area right now. So $2.50 is your resistance, so keep an eye out on that as well. SPRC, what we're looking at volume coming in. Okay, volume is coming in right now, which is 1.3 million shares traded, and with 50%, you know, on RSI. For now, volume came in, but then on Friday volume just died. So keep an eye out on this area. $2.75 is going to be your support for now on that name. FUV as well, this is bearish looking pattern, but guess what, if we can break right through this $4.25, $4.50 area, we should be all right to continue into 50 exponential moving average. So keep an eye out. I think, you know, we can still push to the upside, pending market performance, pending market move to the upside. This can really still pick up. Okay, RODBX, what we're looking at red blocks as well. Red blocks right now, we're looking at price continue to push to the upside, pending measure, pending acquisition. But right now we're looking at $7 as our support. So keep an eye out, see if price can really move to, you know, the upside. Also EAR as well, this also looking bearish as well. CROTD, what we're looking at $1 is going to be our support for now on that name, as price continue to find its wave, continue to find direction in this market. WWR as well, we got 681k shares traded with 48% on RSI. What are we looking for? We're looking to break through this bearish looking shape pattern downtrend. This is the area to watch, which coincide with our 20 exponential moving average. $1.25 break and hold, then we can push right into the 50 exponential moving average, $1.44. So keep an eye out on that zone as well. If this 125 doesn't hold, then, you know, look for price to pull back to below $1.20 on that name. OPGN, OPGN as well. OPGN is taking the move from the market, taking the momentum move from the market, break through this bearish looking shape, and now guess what, we're back into the 50 exponential moving average. Guys, just keep looking for stocks that have been sold off really bad and in a good shape for a bounce to the upside. This is a very bearish looking flag, right? And all of a sudden we broke right through it, broke the 50 cents down into 50 exponential moving average. 56 cents close, and if this area holds, then I'll be expecting more to the upside on OPGN if they don't reverse split. Right now we're looking at a trend. AMPY, what we're looking at, we talked about it a couple of weeks ago as well, and we say the trend is your friend, the trend is on. So right now we're really riding the 20 exponential moving average, but guess what, we really did shake some weak hands around this area and just broke right through that 20 exponential moving average, only to double bottom right around the 50 exponential moving average, and then boom back into the trend. Okay, it's like you taking a detour, right? You move to another place, and you know, your route is not smooth, your route is not straight, and all of a sudden then you just keep going and going and going. All of a sudden, boom, you back to your route again and you just start going. So that is what is happening right now. We're just supporting the 20, supporting the 20, supporting the 20, and all of a sudden, boom, we broke right through it into 50 exponential moving average, and guess what, bam, we pull back, retest it again, and boom, we are into that upside. We're back in the trend, we're back pushing through on APY. So keep an eye out, see what it does around this area, because every time we push right into this trend, and guess what, we pull back to the 20 exponential moving average again. So for me, for low risk, if you know I'm not in this trade, if I'm not in this trade, this is what I'm gonna do. I wait for price to pull back down to the 20 exponential moving average, and then pick some up again in anticipation for the move back up to this trend again. That's how I'm gonna play. That is what we call a trend play. So you play the trend that way. PTGX as well, we're looking at price breaking through. We're still not out of the bearish looking nature of this stock yet, but for now $10 is where you're gonna put your eye. That's where you're gonna be watching at this time. CYN as well, we're looking at price $2. If price can reclaim $2, then we can continue to push to the upside. We got really extended so far into the $6 zone, only to pull back down and sell right off, and then, you know, short really attack that area. Why? Because these guys, they did a reverse split, and all of a sudden we got it down on that area of $6, but then we just sold right off. So look for price around this action. Look, see if price can really sustain and hold this $1.50 as people been longing for, traders been longing for that. SNDL, what we're looking for, SNDL is still bearish and bearish and bearish. If we can push through 45 cents, I think we can regain momentum to the upside, but for now keep an eye out on that name as well. AHT this one has also, guys, this is bearish. We're looking at price breaking through $6 into $7, then we can call it no more bearish looking chart as well. So CEI, we're looking at price holding 66 cents. If you can hold this area, then guess what, 80 cents will come in easily, $1 will come in easily, which is 200 moving average, guys. Also APRN, look for more to come on this name as market begin to show us direction. SYTA as well, long-term looking name, $1.10. That's what you're going to be looking for. If we can break through 50 exponential moving average, then we should be all right to continue to push to the upside. Once the price gets to $1.50, then look for more to come on this name. Guys, the remaining chart, I'm going to post them up on Twitter and on my stock tweet. These are the chart, and you can really gain or take one or two out of it as well. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. If you have any questions, concerns, you can email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. Peace and love, guys. Bye bye.